Krishna devotees. So today we'll do the sloka, and I'll be saying the translation in my own words. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kamesha Krodesha Rajoguna Samudbhava Mahashano Mahapapma Vidyenam Ihavairinam. Okay. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kamayesha Krodesha Rajoguna Samudbhava Mahashana Mahapatma Vidyenam Mihavairinam. Okay, so I'll be saying this translation in my own words. So everyone knows coronavirus is threatening everyone's lives, and people are agreeing that coronavirus is one of the most biggest problems. And there's a bigger problem than coronavirus, and Krishna says it has three qualities. It's all devouring, it's our greatest enemy, and it's greatly sinful. And that is lust. So how can lust go away, I'm thinking? Now I remember. By connecting to Krishna. If we connect to Krishna, the lust will go away. And how can we connect to Krishna? By doing dramas and kirtan and chanting and all different kinds of devotional services to the Lord. So you might be thinking, what are the advantages of connecting to Krishna? First, you'll get inner clarity, by which you can defeat outer enemies. Today we did a drama, and you'll see that in the next clip. Bye. And now it's raining, so we have to run. Hare Krishna, and it's about Ramayan, because Ravana got lost to Sita. So now we'll be running because there's rain coming. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna devotees, this is the Ramayana drama. Introduction. King Dashrath belongs to Raghu Vamsha, which is a great dynasty belonging to the sun god. He has three wives named Kaushalya, Sumitra, and Kaikeyi. He inherited all virtues from his great glorious ancestors and had many more of his own. He was very strong and had no enemies. He was wealthier than Kubera and Indra put together. He only had one regret, that he has no son so far. He decides to perform yagna, and the demigods are pleased and will give him kheer and ask him to feed the kheer to his wives. The wives will very soon give birth to 4 sons. Rama was born to Kaushalya, Lakshman and Shatrughna were born to Sumitra, and Bharata was born to Kaikeyi. All 4 boys grew with lots of affection towards each other. They went to Vashishta Muni's ashram and finished their education and came back to Ayodhya. King Janak wants his daughter Sita to marry someone who can break the bow given by the mighty Lord Shiva. He announces Swayamvar.
My daughter Sita will going to get married today, but the condition is who can break the bow of Lord Shiva. I am opening the Swayamvar Sabha today.
Sage Vishwamitra arrives along with Lord Ram and
Maharaj
Lakshman.
Vishwamitra, thanks for coming. Welcome. Please have your seat, please. Maharaj, please bless me that today my daughter get married today.
Many princes visited, but everyone fails to break the bow.
In an assembly where my brother Ram is present, no one should be speaking these types of words. My brother Ram can easily break this bow with the permission of Sage Vishwamitra.
Sage Vishwamitra orders Ram to break the bow. Now Lord Rama goes ahead and breaks the bow very easily, and he gets married to Mother Sita. King Dashrath after Ram breaks the bow, King Janak happily hands over Sita's hand in marriage to Ram.
Rama, my son, I am handing over my daughters to you. From now, she will be your good wife.
Rama returns with Sita to Ayodhya. Meanwhile, Manthara is plotting.
Come, Manthara. Mother Kaikeyi, Dandabat Pranam. Tell me, Mother,
do you know what's going on in Ayodhya dynasty?
Yes, I know. My beloved son Rama is becoming the king of Ayodhya.
I know, mother, I know. That's a very good news. But how about our beloved Bharata? Do you know the consequence? Do you know the consequence, mother? What will going to happen with you?
But Mandira, Rama is my beloved son.
Bharat is also beloved. And if Rama becomes the king of Ayodhya, you will be the maid servant of Mother Kaushalya. Do you think about it, mother?
No, I did not.
Mother, this is the good time to think about it. And do you remember, mother? You got 2 boons from Dasharath Maharaj.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, I remember the boons.
yes, mother, now this is a very good time to ask those boons from Maharaj so that Bharat Maharaj Bharat is become the king of Ayodhya.
Thank you so much, Mandira. Here, take this gift. Take this gift. Let
you,
me
mother.
quickly talk
Thank
to
you, mother. Thank
Dasharath
you, mother.
Maharaj.
Thank you.
Mother Kaikeyi is very angry and frustrated. Meanwhile, King Dashrath comes to see Mother Kaikeyi.
Kaikeyi, what happened? Why are you serious?
Please go away.
Kaikeyi, what happened?
Do you remember the 2 boons that you gave me? When your life was in danger, I put my life before you to save you in the battlefield. Do you remember the 2 boons that you gave me?
Of course, Kaikeyi.
I want them to be fulfilled today.
Okay.
The first one is, I want Ram to go into the forest. And the second one is, I want my son Bharata to be coronated as the king of Ayodhya.
Kaikeyi, you know what you're asking? Without Rama, I cannot live.
Yes, I know what I'm asking and that is what I want.
Kaikeyi!
Ram, Sita, and Lakshman will start their journey to the forest and will stay at Panchavati. One day, the sister of the demon king Ravana, Surpanaka, comes there.
Who is this beautiful person? He looks so beautiful. I want to marry him.
I can't marry you because I already married Sita. So you can marry my brother Lakshman.
No, I killed the Sita.
Ah!
You Shurpanaka, I'm going to cut your nose.
Ah!
Meanwhile, back in the kingdom of Lanka, in Ravana's palace, we will now see what is going to happen.
राजाधिराजा मातांडेय विक्रमादित्य रावण परब्रह्म की जय
जय
हो
हो।
What happened?
Brother Lakshman, the brother of Rama, has cut my nose. You know what, brother, I was thinking? I saw a beautiful girl. Her name is Sita. I think you should marry her. She looks like rose. She looks like lotus. She should be the queen of Lanka, not someone else. I think you should marry her, brother.
Maricha, get over here! I want you to go kidnap Sita and disguise yourself as a golden deer.
My lord, this isn't a good idea. Do you know who Ramachandra is?
If you do not do this, I will kill you.
Better to die in the hands of Rama than Ravana.
Meanwhile, Ravana and Maricha come to the forest to capture Sita. Maricha disguises himself as a beautiful golden deer.
Oh, what a beautiful lady. I wish to marry her. I've decided. Maricha, we'll do what we discussed. Now.
Sita sees the golden deer and immediately falls in love with it, becoming super attached.
Oh, Rama, can I get that golden deer?
This deer is of a golden color. It is not something we've seen common in the kingdom.
I want it. Okay, Lakshman, you protect Sita. I will go and catch the deer.
So Lord Rama starts chasing Maricha, and with his mighty bow, he releases the arrow. Let's see what happens.
Oh Sita, oh Lakshman!
Meanwhile, Mother Sita orders Lakshmana to go help his brother. And Lord Ravana comes here in disguise of a sage.
Bhavati Viksham Devi. Please come out the line. I can't cross this line.
If you don't, your whole dynasty shall be destroyed.
Okay.
Ah.
Leave me. Hanuman, I saw two people coming in the kingdom. Please find about them.
Yes, my king.
My dear sage,
Hanuman disguises himself as a sage and is in the process of finding out the whereabouts of Lord Rama and Lakshmana.
my dear sages, where are you from? We are from Ayodhya and we're the sons of King Dasharatha. My dear master, why have you come here?
We are here searching for Mother Sita.
Then come to Sugriva's camp and he will help you find Mother Sita.
Mandori was trying to convince Ravan to end this battle.
My dear husband, it is not good to fight with Rama. Rama is absolute truth. So please return Sita to Rama. Never.
The final battle begins. Ravana is so determined to fight Lord Rama. He is blind. Finally, Rama shoots Ravana. And the monkey army prospers.
Stop pushing me.
Ravana is defeated and Mother Sita is rescued.
What are you doing?